Welcome to Smackey's Garage. Today we're going to be installing original style radio knobs on our 1969 Mustang original radio. If you've been following along, you know we have a 1969 Mustang and it has an original AM/FM radio. The thing that's missing on it is the actual radio knobs themselves. They're really hard to come by a nice set of original ones that are in good condition, because I think one of the things that you see a lot is you see chipping of the knobs and some of the chrome plating coming off that we've seen on these. So what I've done is I've actually purchased a new set from National Parts Depot, and this set is supposed to be a good reproduction of what's in there. The 5-piece kit comes with 2 trim knobs, 2 radio knobs, and it comes with this white piece, which I don't think it goes to my stereo, but I'm not quite sure. If you know what this is or what it goes to, leave a message in the comments to help me out. But it doesn't look like I need to install it to make it work. I actually ended up taking apart the dash in the front to take a look to see, do I actually need to remove something to get this piece in or not? I couldn't find a place that it slips in, so we're gonna leave it off for now until you get back to me in the comments of letting me know where it goes. So until then, we're gonna install our radio knobs. Now these radio knobs look like a good set. They're chrome plated. Each one does have a little D-ring in the center, which is what the knob is going to ride on. This is to make sure that it doesn't round up, which is nice. So I'm happy with this set, and we're going to try them out. So if you're looking for them, I'm going to put the part number that I got them from on the top so you can see where it is. So it's a 5-piece set for knobs, radios for the 1969 Mustang. So with this, let's go ahead and install them and finish up the dash. It's really hard to tell what material these actually are. They sound like some sort of metallic, but they are on the lighter side, so I'm not quite sure, but if you can hear them, doesn't sound like plastic. Now, the installation of these knobs should be fairly straightforward. You know, you have the D shaft, which should slide most of the way down onto the back and into place. Push until it's in. So you can see that one is in. Do the same on this side. You have that D shaft. You can hear it clicking. Then when we're done with that, we'll just put the knobs on. So really straightforward. D shaft into here. This D shaft into here. A little bit tight, but they went up. So that should be the radio volume. This should be the selector of the radio station. It's a little dusty. So now that we have the radio knobs installed, you know, the radio should be pretty much fully functional if I wanted to hook it up. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to hook it up. I think what I could do is I could put the original speaker back up here in the center and then just run speaker wire from the radio up and use it. The only thing I'll have to do is find out some way to use an antenna, because this vehicle does not have an antenna on it because I didn't put one back on when I put the fenders back on. I didn't cut the hole for it. I think it looks better without the antenna. Well, that's it. Thanks for tuning in today on Smackey's Garage. I'll see you next week.